Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials so the engine can run safely. First, verify fuel and oil. A low oil sensor can prevent start, so top up if needed. Place the cutter on level ground and block wheels. Once done, set the choke and throttle to the manufacturer's start positions and disengage the blade. Make sure the safety key or kill switch is inserted. This completes the immediate safety checks so you can move to cranking the engine. You now start the engine using the prescribed method. Press the primer 3 to 5 times or use the electric key, cranking in short bursts to avoid flooding the carburetor. Once you hear firing, ease the choke out in stages. Don't yank it open all at once. This causes stalling. After a steady idle forms, advance the throttle to normal warm-up RPM so oil circulates and the transmission engages smoothly. Make sure to observe the sound and smoke. These tell you finish the sequence by carefully engaging the cutting mechanism. Bring RPM up slightly, then engage the blade clutch or lower the deck slowly and confirm blades spin freely. If the engine stalls or won't hold, start troubleshooting. First check choke and throttle position, next confirm fuel flow and primer status, then inspect spark plug and finally safety interlocks. One faulty switch can kill the ignition. Once blades run cleanly and bolts are tight, you're ready to cut. Stop immediately if vibrations or odd noises return.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.